Hello, welcome our the best 5 channel. Today, in this video I'm going to show some of the best motorcycle Bluetooth helmets which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months in Amazon and AliExpress. Make sure to check the description below for links and more information. Now enjoy your product. Number 1. Bluetooth Integrated Modular Flip-Up Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet Sunshield MP3 Intercom. Key features: Bluetooth 3.0 technology, 8 hours of talk time and 110 hours of standby. Fully washable microfiber liner and adjustable vents. One-touch control for calling, answering, rejecting incoming calls and radioing. Incoming phone call overrides intercom, music, FM radio and GPS navigation audio. Supports a max distance of up to 1,000 feet between two riders using the intercom. 2 high-quality built-in speakers with full stereo sound. Meets or exceeds both ECE and DOT safety standards. DSP echo cancellation and noise suppression technology offers high-quality voice at high speeds. Known issues with the Bluetooth system: when the helmet Bluetooth system hasn't been used for a long time, the battery will enter deep sleep mode. During this time, Bluetooth mode may not be available. Size: multiple size available. Medium, large, extra large. Color: multiple color available. Red, white, matte black. Customer reviews. Customer ratings by feature: sturdiness 4.2, sound quality 4.2, lightweight 4.0. Number 2. FreedConn Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmets Integrated Modular Flip-Up Dual Visors Full Face Built-in Bluetooth Intercom Communication Range 500 FM Radio. Key features: universal Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth 3.0, keep you connected with cell phone, music player and GPS system easily and stably. Sophisticated engineering technology, ABS lightweight shell with advanced ventilation system, make your ride more comfortable. Cheek pads and liner are deodorant, absorbent and removable, easy to clean. Full duplex benefits: with the products of FreedConn, you can ensure the safety and comfort while having a hands-free call. Enjoying stereo music and listening to the voice prompt of GPS navigations by Bluetooth wirelessly. Powerful communication capabilities, built-in Bluetooth intercom function, keep you in touch with up to 2 of your buddies and up to 500 m 1640 ft away. Make your communication more convenient. Guaranteed security, certification, meets and exceeds requirements. Any questions? Contact us at first time. Size: multiple size available. Medium, large, extra large. MU. Color: multiple color available. Red, white, matte black, gray, gloss black. Package included: 1 Bluetooth helmet, 1 helmet bag, 1 USB cable, 1 user manual, 1 couple of gloves. Number 3. Motorcycle Bluetooth Helmets, FreedConn Flip-Up Dual Visors Full Face Helmet, built-in integrated intercom communication system. Key features: Modular motorcycle helmet. FreedConn Bluetooth helmet supports max intercom range up to 1640 feet for 2 riders talking or 3 riders pairing. We had meets and exceeds both ECE and DOT safety standards. Don't worry about the safety while riding. 3.0 Bluetooth motorcycle helmets. Motorcycle helmet with Bluetooth 3.0 technology allows you to enjoy music, FM, GPS voice prompt and intercom stably while riding. Makes team motorbike communication more convenient and efficient. Crystal clear sound helmet intercom, built in 2 premium speakers with full stereo sound. Advanced DSP echo cancellation and noise suppression technology. 1 button control helmets motorbike, Bluetooth FM helmet supports hands-free call with 1 multifunctional button. Incoming phone call overrides intercom, MP3 music, FM radio and GPS navigation audio. Long battery life and upgrade package, 8 hours intercom talk time and 110 hours of standby. Upgrade package comes with gloves same size as Bluetooth motorcycle helmet. Size: multiple size available. Medium, large, extra large. Color, multiple color available. Red, white, matte black, gray, gloss black. Package includes 1 wireless Bluetooth helmet, 1 helmet bag, 1 same-size gloves, 1 USB cable, 1 user manual. Number 4. TORC T14B Bluetooth integrated Mako full-face helmet with flag graphic. Product description. The Blinc Bluetooth integrated version of the Mako is the most recent addition to the TORC integrated Bluetooth collection. The Mako is a type of shark. It is the fastest species of shark. It is recognized by its body lines. It is rounded with a pointed nose. It is because of these identifying traits that the Mako T14 was aptly named. The Mako replaces both the Prodigy and Blade shells. It is lighter weight than both previous models. It uses a dual-density EPS system and it features laser-contoured comfort liner padding. Key features: Bluetooth integrated shell, dual-density EPS with intermediate oval profile, smooth lock drop-down visor system, outer shell material advanced thermopolymer alloy shell, fully removable and machine washable inner liner, ECE and DOT certified. Size, multiple size available. Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. Color, multiple color available. Flat black flag, flat black force, white, matte black, gray, gloss black. Number 5. LEXIN LXP4 FM4 Riders Motorcycle Intercom, Universal Helmet Communication System, waterproof Bluetooth headset with speakers for motorcycle helmet 1600 meters range. Key features: high performance, digital signal processing for advanced audio functionality, high-end hi-fi stereo music with A2DP profile, multi-point, phone and GPS. Charging time, 3-5H standby, 350H talk time, 15H. Digital signal processing for advanced audio functionality, high-end hi-fi stereo music with A2DP profile, multi-point, phone and GPS. Charging time, 3-5H. Standby, 350H. 15 hours music stream. 15 hours talk time. 350 hours standby time. Large button. Large buttons are easy to feel. USB to micro USB cable for charging. Pair with other Bluetooth devices. Support hands-free calling from your mobile phone. Get GPS navigation voice prompts. Rider-to-rider intercom with any other brand. Long distance. Working distance, up to 1 mile for intercom. 4 riders talk at same time. Water resistant. Water resistant for use in inclement weather. Size, multiple size available. B4 single pack. B6 double pack. Customer reviews 4.5 out of 5. Ratings by feature. Battery life 4.4. Easy to install 4.4. Value for money 4.0. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. And make sure to enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.